Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Our channel is Moyothemua. Let's go straight into this video. So that is a Ferrarucci concealer palette. Yeah, and I'll be using that to set my eyes as my base, like as my eyeshadow base. And we're cutting a crease. We're not planning to do a cut crease, but like I want the main color to pop there. And I'm using this loose pigment from DFA Cosmetics, that girl dummy, on Instagram. And as you can see, I'm just patting, tapping. I'm trying my best to work with it because working with loose pigments are like really tricky. And okay, so now I picked more loose pigment and now trying to blend out the line, the cut crease, like trying to make it one. I just basically want this eyeshadow look to be one color. Like everything will be orange, but like I wanted more of the popation, like Nika would say, to be on the eyelids. But they didn't work out well for me though. So I went into the Morphe 35B to get that orange to like blend the transition color. But as you can see, it was really cracking. I don't know what I was going to do. I was so disappointed. I was like, am I going to start this again? But obviously I had to clean it because I have to give you guys the best. Aside that, I won't even be comfortable. Okay, so now I realized that I made a mistake, so it's better this way. I applied the whole base, the whole concealer on my eyelid. Yeah, instead of just doing the cut crease, I applied everything and then I started to tap in the loose pigments. So before I did the cut crease, and where I had problem was when I had to start blending it. But now I put the whole concealer first, I dabbed it in to have a smooth flat surface, and I was just tapping in. So now the top part, we don't want it to be as harsh or like as obvious as the down part. So I was trying to go bit by bit into the loose pigment for the top. I was dusting off the excess. So that's what I was doing. I was building it up, and I I was carrying my confidence. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to Hush Beauty, their eyeliner gel liner. This is the blackest, darkest, sweetest, smoothest eyeliner I've ever used, and it's a Nigerian brand, y'all. It's a Nigerian brand. Like, I wish they had eyebrow gel. I wish. As in, I love this. It's so black. It's like the blackest thing in this video. It's amazing, trust me. Okay, I went back into the Ferrarucci, and that same white one, I'm using it as my, what am I going to call it now? Eyeliner. Yes, for that place. So like I'm going into the Morphe 35B, I'm picking up that same orange, just trying to give it some oomph. Okay, now I wasn't satisfied. You know me, I went in with glitter. This is regular glitter you can find any market, just regular, it's brandless. And yeah, I was trying to do this under the eye glitters. I love glitters, but I can't really apply them to the top of my eye because it really creases. I have hooded eyes and it always cracks my glitters. I'm feeling myself. EA glitters. Oh my, see. Nigerian brands, we're killing it. I tried to put these chunky glitters into the inner corner of my eye to make my eye turn up. And these lashes are from Instagram. I will link her handle down. subscribe to my channel, subscribe to our channel. Let's grow this family. Love you so much. See you next time, God willing.